Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. So we will start Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ षष्ठोऽध्यायः श्रीभगवानुवाच अनाश्रितः कर्मफलम्. Visarga is there and after that ka is there. So the Visarga's pronunciation will be Jihva Mulyam. Like this is the sound. Anasritah karma phalam karyam karma karoti yaha karyam karma karoti yaha sasannyasi cha yogi cha sasannyasi cha yogi cha sasannyasi cha yogi cha na niragnirna chakriyah na niragnirna chakriyah. Together. So here ka will not be repeatedly pronounced because a is there. A is dirgha swara or prolonged long vowel. So this will be plain kriya. If instead of cha it was cha, it was chak kriyaha, but it is as it is cha, it will be cha kriyaha. Anashritah karma phalam karyam karma karoti yaha sasannyasi cha yogi cha na niragnirna chakriyah. Once again, anasritah karma phalam karyam karma karoti yaha sasannyasi cha yogi cha na niragnirna chakriyah. Clear? Now second sloka. In second sloka, the first quarter, yam sannyas samitip, because e is short vowel, so pra is there, so pa will be doubled, pa. Samitip prahuhu. After hu, you please put visarga and then split it. Then it will be only yogam. In your book, it is there prahur yogam. So that ref you please cut with the pencil, not with the pen, because in book it is correctly written. Prahuhu yogam. Then nahya. Here also how will be doubled. Okay. Nahya. Nahya sanyasta sankalpaha. Sankalpaha. Then yogi bhavati kaschana. So chant with me. Yaw sanyasamiti prahuhu Yau sannyāsamiti prahuhu yogam tam vidhi pandava yogantam vidhi pandava nahya sannyasta sankalpaha nahya sannyasta sankalpaha yogi bhavati kaschana yogi bhavati kaschana. Chant together. Yau sannyāsamiti prahuhu yogantam vidhi pandava nahya sannyasta sankalpaha yogi bhavati kaschana. Once more. Yau sannyāsamiti prahuhu yogantam vidhi pandava nahya sannyasta sankalpaha yogi bhavati kaschana. Clear? Third sloka. Aruruksho muner yogam Arurukshor muner yogam karma karana muchyate karma karana muchyate. See, small thing like aruru, its u is short vowel, so ruk ksha, so ka ksha means half ka and sha shanmukha shakara. So here ka will be doubled pronounced. Okay, aruruk ksha. Clear? In the second quarter, karana muchyate. Cha will be doubled. Muchyate. These are the very small tricky thing for beautiful chanting. Yogarudhasya tasyaiva tasyaiva. Here also sa, danta sa will be doubled. Tas syaiva. Tas syaiva. Clear? Then samah. Then again visarga will be juhva molyam. Samah karana muchyate. So chant together and applying those small things. Please write it down, otherwise you can't do. You know, at the time of flow chanting, it's very difficult to correct. Arurukshor muner yogam karma karana muchyate yogarudhasya tasyaiva shamah karana muchyate. Once more. Arurukshor muner yogam karma karana muchyate yogarudhasya tasyaiva shamah karana muchyate. Clear? Thank you. Now the fourth one. It's an important sloka. Yada hi nendriyartheshu yada hi nendriyartheshu न कर्मस्वनुषज्जते. Here dantasa karmas swanu, because swa is conjunct. Okay. न कर्मस्वनुषज्जते सर्वसंकल्पसन्न्यासी योगारूढस्तदोच्यते. योगारूढस्तदुच्यते. यदा हि, so together, यदा हि नेन्द्रियार्थेषु न कर्मस्वनुषज्जते सर्वसंकल्पसन्न्यासी योगारूढस्तदोच्यते. Clear? Yes. Wait. Yes.
Swamiji, in tadochyate, it will also be tadochyate.
No. Yogarudhastadochyate. Technically, you have to do very quickly.
Okay.
Yogarudhastadochyate. So, sa will be little bit prolonged. Yogarudhastadochyate. In prolonged sa, two sakara will come.
No, you said no, muchyate. In earlier one, in the third one, it was muchyate.
Muchyate. Much.
So in this, it will be tadochyate.
Tadochyate. Yes. So see, every time, sometimes I skip, because it's a very small thing. But as you are learner right now, you have to be very aware of what you are learning. And you can clarify with me. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So once more, yada hi nendriyartheshu न कर्मस्वनुषज्जते सर्वसंकल्पसन्न्यासी योगारूढस्तदोच्यते. Second one means fifth one is another important sloka in whole Bhagavad Gita. That whenever the problem comes, that I am merged in samsara, world, who will save me? Nobody can save you. You have to save yourself. Only Bhagavan or Guru or Shastra can empower you. You have to lift yourself. You have to do uddharam of yourself. Nobody can. Nahi simhasya, nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. There is one Suhasitani that if a lion is very hungry, and he started praying to God, oh God, I'm very hungry, very hungry, very hungry. So God had sent a deer, but a lion can't expect that deer will come and enter into his mouth. That he has to try. So that sloka is telling that Uddharedatmanatmanam. And please write it in your heart and memorize it. This first phrase, Uddharet Atmanatmanam. Uddharet Atmanatmanam. Uddharet. Here also dha will be doubled. Okay. Uddharet. Uddharedatmanatmanam. Natmanam avasadayet. Natmanam avasadayet. Atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu. Split it, bandhuhu. Then in your book it is written bandhu ratmaiva. So you cut the ra with the pencil and keep atmaiva. Okay. Atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu. Atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu. Atmaiva ripuratmanaha. Atmaiva ripuratmanaha. So here, that is why Guru is needed, for learning Gita and any Shastra. Here one Atma refers Jivatma, you. Another Atma refers Paramatma. So here is telling that you are the friend of yours and you are the enemy of yours. So what that both two refers in the same word, Bhagavan is writing, see, Atma eva hi atmanaha bandhuhu. One Atma is Jivatma, another Atma is Paramatma. Means one Atma refers to Anatma and another Atma word refers to Atma. Clear? So for scripture, it is better not to try study alone. You should take guidance from a bona fide master. Okay, chant together. Uddharedatmanatmanam natmanamavasadayet. See, one technically I am doing. Have you noticed in second quarter? Natmanam avasadayet, for our better understanding. Okay. And it doesn't disturb the chandas meter. You have to chant. There is some trick is there that you have to learn. Okay. Uddharetatmanatmanam natmanamavasadayet atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu atmaiva ripuratmanaha. Once more. Uddharedatmanatmanam natmanamavasadayet atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu atmaiva ripuratmanaha. Clear? Any doubt in chanting? If you have any doubt in meaning, that is not the class. So if you have the chanting problem, you can ask me. Okay. I hope if after finishing up, I will start Bhagavad Gita teaching in this class. How will it be? With Shankar Bhashya.
Very nice.
And if I start teaching with all those details, those who attend my morning class, it will take 5 years for me. But it doesn't matter that if I can't, each and every day is a new day. I ask Usha Amma, Vimla Amma. If you miss the previous class, nothing happens. Every day you will get some new materials, but it will inspire you to listen to the previous class. What, Ushama, is it correct or not?
Swamiji.
And I will ask Sandhya Amma, Amshu Amma, and Nikita that if you can, you please go to my YouTube channel and please go through the meditation series. Go to the playlist and please go through. In 11 classes, 11 or 12 classes, I have finished the whole Vedantic meditation. Please try to go through. I hope you will be amazed.
Yes, Swamiji, will try.
Please try. It's my earnest request. Okay.
Yes, Swamiji, our pleasure.
Okay. So fifth we have completed. Now sixth one. Bandhuratmatma. Bandhuratmatma. Bandhuratmanastasya. 5 times chant. It is very confusing. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. 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 Yenatmaivatmana jitaha. Yenatmaivatmana jitaha. Anatmanastu shatrutve. Anatmanastu shatrutve. Shatrutve, ta will be doubled. Vartetatmaiva shatruvat. Vartetatmaiva satruvat. Chant together. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenatmaivatmana jitaha. Anatmanastu satrutve. Vartetatmaiva shatruvat. Once more. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenatmaivatmana jitaha. Anatmanastu shatrutve. Vartetatmaiva shatruvat. Clear? Any doubt? Thank you. Seventh one. It tells about the paristhiti. Who are the paristhiti-vada? Paristhiti. Jitat, jitat manaf prashantasya. Jitat manaf prashantasya. Paramatma samahitaha. Paramatma samahitaha. Shitoshana sukha dukkheshu. Shitoshana sukha dukkheshu. Tatha manapanmanayoho. In paristhiti, how as a sadhaka, spiritual aspirant, you will respond. We generally react to the paristhiti. But how will be our response? Jitatmanah prashantasya paramatma samahitaha शीतोषण सुख दुःखेषु तथा मानापमानयोः जितात्मनः प्रशान्तस्य परमात्मा समाहितः शीतोषण सुख दुःखेषु तथा मानापमानयोः. Any doubt? Thank you. The eighth one is also important verse. Jnana Vijnana Triptatma. Jnana Vijnana Triptatma. Utastho Vijitendriyaha Yukta Ityuchyate yogi. Cha will be doubled. Ta will be doubled. Ityuchyate Yukta. But Yukta will be same. Yukta Ityuchyate yogi. Samaloshtasma kanchanaha. Samaloshtasma kanchanaha. Like Sri Ramakrishna, you know, taka mati, mati taka. The same sense for the thing. Yes, Nikita, please tell me.
Swamiji, in Yukta, ka will also become double or it won't?
No, it sounds odd. I tried.
Okay.
Jnana Vijnana Triptatma. Utastho Vijitendriyaha. Utastho Vijitendriyaha. Yukta Ityuchyate yogi. Yukta Ityuchyate yogi. Samaloshtasma kanchanaha. Together. Jnana Vijnana Triptatma. Utastho Vijitendriyaha. Yukta Ityuchyate yogi. Samaloshtasma kanchanaha. Clear? Okay. Now ninth one is little bit difficult. Why? The first line there is no splitting. It's a one word. Sandhyamma, please pay attention. Ninth sloka, the first line will be without any splitting. It's a one word. Clear? Surin mitraryudasina mathyasthadveshya bandhushu. Clear? So don't worry. First we will chant with splitting, and then we will chant this one line 5 times. Okay? Surin Mitrar. Chant with me. Surin Mitrar. Udasina. Udasina. Madhyastha. Madhyastha. Dveshya. Dveshya. Bandhushu. Bandhushu. Clear? Any doubt? Anyone? Nikita, is it okay?
In Surin Mitra, you said Udasina, Swamiji, or Udasina?
Udasina. Surin Mitrar. Udasina. Madhyasthadveshya bandhushu. We will chant 5 times. Surin mitraryudasina madhyasthadveshya bandhushu. Clear? Second time. Surin mitraryudasina madhyasthadveshya bandhushu. Third time. Surin mitraryudasina madhyasthadveshya bandhushu. Fourth time. Surin mitraryudasina madhyasthadveshya bandhushu. Fifth time. Surin mitraryudasina madhyasthadveshya bandhushu. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Sangeeta Amma, new has come. It is 6th chapter Bhagavad Gita, ninth sloka we are chanting.
Okay.
So for your clarification, just I am telling that 6th, 7th sloka is a pair and 8th and 9th sloka is a pair. Okay. Mainly 6, 7, 8, 9 is samabhava, if they are telling, but pair. Okay. Let's chant. Surin mitraryudasina madhyasthadveshya bandhushu. Okay. Now, third quarter. Sadhushvapi cha papeshu. Sadhushvapi cha papeshu. Samabuddhirvishishyate. Samabuddhirvishishyate. Surin mitraryudasina madhyasthadveshya bandhushu. Sadhusvapi cha papeshu. Samabuddhirvishishyate. Once more. Surin mitraryudasina madhyasthadveshya bandhushu. Sadhushvapi cha papeshu. Samabuddhirvishishyate. Is it okay for everyone else? Any doubt? Thank you. Now the 10th one. Yogi yunjita satatam. Sangeeta Amma, when we come into that chanting class, we all sit with a pencil, not with a pen, because we split or we break the sentences with the sandhis. Okay. So you, from next class, in chanting class, you should come with the pencil. Okay. Yogi yunjita satatam. Yogi yunjita satatam. Atmanam rahasi sthitah. Atmanam rahasi sthitah. Ekaki yata chittatma. Ekaki yata chittatma. Nirashira parigraha. Nirashira parig. Ga will be double. Nirashira parigraha. Clear? Yogi yunjita satatam. Atmanam yogi yunjita satatam. Atmanam rahasi sthitah. Ekaki yata chittatma. Nirashira parigraha. Clear? Once more. Yogi yunjita satatam. Atmanam rahasi sthitam. Here also sa will be doubled. Okay. Rahasis sthitah. Ekaki yata chittatma. Nirashira parigraha. Clear? Any doubt anyone has? Okay, we will chant from 1 to 10th sloka of 6th chapter Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Shashtodhyayaha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Anashritah karma phalam. Karyam karma karoti yaha. Sasannyasi cha yogi cha. Naniragnirna chakriyah. Yam sanyasamiti prahuhu. Yogam tam vidhi pandava. Nahya sanyasta sankalpaha. Yogi bhavati kaschana. Arurukshormuner yogam. Karma karana muchyate. Yoga rudhasya tasyaiva. Samah karana muchyate. Yada hi nendriyartheshu. Na karma svanushajyate. Sarva sankalpa sannyasi. Yoga rudhastaduchyate. Uddharetatmanatmanam. Natmanam avasadayet. Atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu. Atmaiva ripuratmanaha. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenatmaivatmana jitaha. Anatmanastu shatrutve. Vartetatmaiva shatruvata. Jitatmanah prashantasya. Paramatma samahitaha. Shito shana sukha dukkheshu. Tatha manapamanayoho. Jnana vijnana triptatma. कूटस्थो विजितेन्द्रियः युक्त इत्युच्यते योगी समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः सुरिन्मित्रार्युदासीन मध्यस्थद्वेष्य बन्धुषु साधुष्वपि च पापेषु समबुद्धिर्विशिष्यते योगी युञ्जीत सततम् आत्मानौ रहसि स्थितः एकाकीयत चित्तात्मा निराशिरपरिग्रहः. Clear? Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.